सतगुरु नानक प्रगटया मिटी धुंध जग चानन हुआ। जो कर सूरज निकलया तारे छपे अंधेर पलोआ। तारे छपे अंधेर पलोआ। सतगुरु नानक प्रगट।
Hello, my lovely children. I would like to wish all of you very happy Gurpurab, very happy Shri Guru Nanak Jayanti, and I would like to appreciate your participation in number of activities that were organized in our school on occasion of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Jayanti. You participated in portraying picture of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and you chanted Shabads from Holy Book Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Little children, when they chanted Mool Mantra from Shri Japji Sahib, I do appreciate like how they were coming forward and little children chanted those Shabads, and I just would like to chant once again that Mool Mantra from Japji, and I will explain you the meaning of each and every term. So here is Japji Sahib's Mool Mantra. एकमकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सहबन गुर प्रसाद। जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। एकमकार, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji has taught us through his lessons that God is one. Ekamkar, that God is one. We may recall him, we may call him, we may remember him by any of the names, but that God is one. Ekamkar. Satnam, his name is Satya, means true. His name is true. True means it's not true or false. When we're talking about true, it's one that always exists, is always there. Then Karta Purakh, he is the creator of the entire universe. Nirbhav, he doesn't have fear of anyone because there is no one like him. Nirvair, he doesn't hate anybody. Whether we pray God, whether we believe in him, whether we do not believe in him, but he never hates anyone. Akal Murat, he is omnipresent. He's everywhere. When we see lakes, oceans, human beings, animals, birds, he's everywhere. He's not there sitting somewhere in the clouds. When we point out the God is in the heaven, the God is there, the God is there. He's everywhere. He's omnipresent. Ajuni Sahaban, he is unborn. Means he is not in the cycle of birth and death as we human beings are. Gur Prasad, how we can see him, how we can meet him, how we can feel him. Gur Prasad. When we follow the teachings of our Guru, then we'll be able to meet him, we'll be able to feel him within ourselves. Jap, what we have to chant. Whatever God, our Guru guides us, we have to chant that. Aad sach, jugad sach, hai bhi sach, nanak hosi bhi sach. It means that God, he has been true. Aad sach, he has been true since the time began. He has been true since the ages. So my lovely children, if we talk about Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teachings, if we read some of the examples, stories, sakhis that we call, if we read, we'll get to know he has given us wonderful lessons of life. If we read, we learn, like at each and every step in our life, we get to know how to act, how to behave in a particular manner during a particular situation. Just I'll be sharing 3 phrases with you. Kirt karo, naam japo, vand chako. Kirt karo means Let us all make our earning, make our living by honest deeds. Wand Chako, whatever we are earning, let us all share some of its part with our brothers and sisters, with our family members. Here I'm talking about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is, world is one family. Let us share with are those family members who belong to underprivileged society, for whom it is really very difficult to earn, to get even 2 meals a day. Let us all promise to share some part of our earning with those brothers and sisters, those members of our family. Naam Japo, let us always remember our God. By any name, He has quote naam. Quote means karodo. He has crores of names. By any name, let us recall our God. Let us remember our God in each and every step, in each and every deed, in each and every act that we do. Once again, I wish all of you very happy Gurpurab.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। जब आदि सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक को सी भी सच। जो बोले सो निहाल सच यकार। वाहेगुरु 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 वाहेगुरु। सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु। मेरा नाम अंशुल उपाध्याय है, मैं कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ। आप सभी को गुरु नानक देव जी की जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। यह सिखों का सबसे बड़ा त्यौहार है। गुरु नानक जयंती सिख धर्म के सबसे पुराने त्योहारों में से एक है। गुरु नानक देव जी का जन्मदिन गुरु नानक जयंती के रूप में मनाया जाता है। गुरु नानक जयंती कार्तिक के महीने में पूर्णिमा के दिन कार्तिक पूर्णिमा के नाम से मनाया जाता है। गुरु नानक सिख धर्म के संस्थापक थे। वह पहले सिख गुरु थे। गुरु नानक देव जी का जन्म 15 अप्रैल 1459 को पाकिस्तान के तलवंडी में हुआ था, जिसे अब ननकाना साहिब के नाम से जाना जाता है। गुरु नानक जयंती पर सिख लोग नए कपड़े पहनते हैं और गुरुद्वारों में जाते हैं। गुरु नानक जयंती की सुबह गुरुद्वारे में प्रभात फेरी के साथ शुरू होती है और भजन गायन वाले इलाकों में जुलूस चलता है। सिख प्रार्थना करते हैं और गुरु नानक जी को श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं। सत श्री अकाल। जो बोले सो निहाल सत श्री अकाल। My name is Aradha Chauhan. I study in grade 3rd in Shampad Futuristic Cater School, Aurea. Today I would like to talk on Guru Purab. Guru Purab is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is one of the biggest festivals of Sikhs. The birthday of Guru Nanak Dev is celebrated as Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated in the month of Kartik on the day of full moon known as Kartik Purnima. Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikh religion. He was first Sikh Guru. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born on 15th April 1469 in Rai Bhaudi, Talwandi in the present Shekhupura district of Pakistan, which is now known as Nankana Sahib. On Gurpurab, Sikhs wear new clothes and go to the Gurudwaras. The morning of Gurpurab starts with Prabhat Feris in the Gurudwara, followed by processions in localities, singing hymns. Sikhs offer their prayers and pay homage to the Guru Granth Sahib. On this day, the holy book of Sikhs, the Guru Granth Sahib, is continuously read and recited in the Gurudwaras. Lamps are lit, processions are taken out, free langars are arranged, and a sweet prasad is distributed all over the country. The Nanakpanthi Hindus and other followers of Guru Nanak's philosophy, apart from the Sikhs, also observe this sacred festival. Thank you.
बोले सोनिया सत श्री अकाल। मेरा नाम मेघल चंद्र है। मैं कक्षा 3 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष गुरु नानक जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में एक व्याख्यान प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। गुरु नानक देव जी सिखों के प्रथम गुरु थे। सन 1469 में कार्तिक पूर्णिमा के दिन ही राय भोई की तलवंडी नामक जगह पर गुरु नानक जी का जन्म हुआ था। इस कारण हर साल कार्तिक मास की पूर्णिमा तिथि को गुरु पर्व या गुरु नानक जयंती मनाई जाती है। सिख समुदाय के लोगों के लिए ये दिन बेहद महत्वपूर्ण होता है। माना जाता है कि संसारिक कार्यों में नानक देव जी का मन नहीं लगता था। ईश्वर की भक्ति और सत्संग में ही उनकी रुचि ज़्यादा थी। बता दें कि उन्होंने ही सिख समुदाय की स्थापना की थी। इस दिन प्रभात फेरी, शब्द कीर्तन व गुरुद्वारों में सेवा करने की बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत है। थैंक यू।
सतगुरु नानक परगटया, मिटी तुंद जग चानन हुआ। जो कर सूरज निकलया, तारे छपे अंधेर पलोआ। तारे छपे अंधेर